Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin na energies for you. This is an astrology reading para sa transit ng Mars entering the sign of Aries ngayong April 10 to May 18, 2026. So this is about new beginnings, actions, willpower, exciting things sa buhay ninyo. So for you, Pisces, especially Pisces rising, this is happening in your second house of your material world, your possessions, your finances, your values. So some of you, mas magiging excited kayo in making money. Maaring masisipagin kayo sa pagtatrabaho or pag-explore ng iba pang paraan para kumita ng pera. Some of you naman, ito lang yung medyo pag-ingatan ninyo kasi pwedeng maging emotional kayo pagdating sa spending ninyo. Because Aries energy or the Mars energy, kasi Mars and Aries, there are very comfortable sila sa isa't isa dahil home sign niya ng Mars, si Aries. So this is about you na mas magiging mabilis ang paggastos rin ng pera. So, pay attention to your finances din na mas makontrol mo siya. But I think naman you will learn a lot during this transit. Maaring meron kang madidiscover na iba mo pang sources of income. And at the same time, mas magkakaroon ka ng structure sa finances mo. Kumbaga, magmamature ka when it comes to pag-iipon, no? And also, mas magiging confident ka rin na i-explore pa yung abilities and talents and skills mo. Kasi marami kang pwedeng gawin, especially if you are into spirituality, lalo na kung ang career path mo, it's either nasa spirituality or medical field, or nasa healing, okay? Chiron here is also about healing. So you're healing your finances for some of you. Kung kayo nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa kaperahan ninyo, sa finances nyo, itong transit na to is the time for you na makabawi because of the energy ni Mars na nagbibigay sa iyo ng lakas, ng determinasyon. Ayan. You have the Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Empress. Wow. So, napakaganda ng energy na to because the Empress is about abundance, opportunities for you. You are going to tap into your mga abilities mo. Like, for example, may talento ka sa pagkanta, pagsayaw, anything creative for you. And with the Ten of Cups, meron kang fulfillment when it comes to your mga possessions. Pwede may mabibili kang importanteng gamit during this transit na masasabi mong ang saya mo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo na makakabili ng lupa, sasakyan, bahay, anything na valuable para sa iyo. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.